Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to link a button to a page on WordPress. As you can see here, this is the home page of this particular website. And when someone comes, you can see something like explore our services, book a consultation. So if I want to do it in such a way that when someone clicks on explore our services, it takes the person to the services tab. That is services tab. This is what you need to do. So first of all, come and then log into your WordPress admin dashboard. And after you have logged in, then come to, okay, so after you've logged in, come here and then click on visit site. So we're going to the front side of the website. And then after you go to the front side, you look for the particular button that you want to link to the page. So you come and then click on edit with Elementor. If you don't have Elementor, install it as a plugin. So you now come and click on edit with Elementor. Now if you click on edit with Elementor, you now come and click on the button. So this is the button that I want to link. Now if you are linking it to the services page, for example, so you come to the services, click on the services, and then when you come to the services, this is the URL of the services page, and then you copy it and then come here. Then when you come, so under the link, normally you may see a hash or some dummy data that is there. So you just click and then put it there. So after you put that, you click on what? Publish. So after you publish, you come back and then go back to the home page and refresh it. And then now come and click on explore services. So you see it takes you to the services tab. So it's not only the services page, any other page you want to link to, and it's not even only pages, any other URL, even if it is an external URL, when you put it there, once they click on it, it will take them to that particular URL. So that is exactly how you can link an external, you can link a page to a button, or you can link a button to a page in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video, and see you in the next video. You can leave your comments in the comment section or follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us if you have any problem. Bye.